Having trouble with your water heater not heating water? It could be something as simple as your pilot light going out. No need to worry, relighting it is easier than you think, and you could save yourself from a cold shower. Let's get started. Before we jump in, safety is the first step. Turn off the gas valve and wait a few minutes to let any gas clear. If you smell gas at any point, stop immediately and call a professional. Don't take chances. You'll find the pilot light and the gas control valve near the bottom of the water heater. The Piezo Igniter button will be located right on the control valve, and this is what you'll use to relight the pilot without needing a match or a lighter. Turn the gas control valve to the pilot position. This only lets gas flow to the pilot light, making it safe to relight. Now, instead of using a lighter, you'll press the Piezo Igniter button. While holding down the pilot control button, press the Piezo Igniter. This will create a spark to relight the pilot. You'll hear a click when it sparks. This may take a couple times with the Piezo Igniter to light the pilot. Hold the button for 30 seconds until you see the pilot flame is steady and strong. Once the pilot light is steady, release the button and turn the gas control valve to the on position. Now your water heater should start heating up again. And just like that, your water heater is back up and running. If you're ever unsure about relighting your pilot light, don't hesitate to call a pro. It's always better to be safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more home safety tips and tutorials from Golden Rule.